have a great song. I'm not sure how many people know about this band outside of Australia, but they are a really groovy band. Robbery is the name of the song. It's a pretty simple song, but it's very groovy, and it's got a great little bass line that you can weave in amongst the chords, about 4 chords to it. Download your chart, let's get started. This intro that they start with, it's in the key of E flat minor, right? So it starts on E flat minor 7, goes down to A flat minor 7, up to a B major, and then we move this to this little D flat 6/9, or D flat 6/9, which is a really nice little chord and suggests to me that these guys actually know what they're doing. It's a nice little chord, and instead of just going straight to their, your bog standard chord climbing back up to that E flat, it just makes it sound a little bit different. So the intro is this. And then it moves into the verse, which are these 4 chords. E flat minor 7 again, but we go the bass. If we want to combine this bass line, and why wouldn't you, because it's very groovy. Alright, so we're going from E flat minor 7 to A flat minor 7, but we're using that little bass line to get us there. Again. The trick here, once you come down to the 4 on the D string, you hammer up from 4 to 6 on the A string. And then that's 1 beat there, 1 beat there, 16th notes I'm talking about. A 16th note rest to get that back to the chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 E and up. And when you do it going down, you can play the note here on the 9th fret of the A string, but if you play it on the 4th fret of the D string, then you're on the right fret already for the A flat minor 7 chord. So that's it. On the 4th time through that little 2-bar progression, when you hit the A flat minor 7, you stop on the first beat. Then we go into the chorus, which again is the same 4 chords, but then we're sort of strumming and getting into a more funky rhythm. And I'm playing fingerstyle here, but you could strum it going. Just E flat minor 7, D flat major, A flat minor 7, B flat minor 7. All the diagrams are on your chart to help you through this. But that's the chorus. She stole my heart, she had enough of me. Hey, it's been a robbery. Guess I never know. Runs through that 4 times, and then we go through the same chords again where they're going. Circles back, does another verse, does another chorus, exactly the same. So you've got a DS on your chart that sends you back to the beginning of the verse again. Once you go through the chorus the second time, it heads to the bridge. Now the bridge, again, same 4 chords, but it pulls right back. So you can actually play some chords with alternating bass lines here. They're kind of slash chords with moving bass notes. But I think it's better to keep it really, really sparse because it does pull back a lot on the recording. So going through those 4 chords, E flat minor 7, but we're only playing the root and the octave. Then we're moving the root, down to D flat, and we're keeping the E flat octave. So you're going E flat, now you're doing the E flat up high and the D flat down low for a root. Move the root over to a flat, That's your bridge, runs into another chorus and repeats itself to get out. It's a simple song, but it's not super simple. It's clever, it's funky, it's by Lime Cordiale. If you don't know them, give them a listen, and see you here next week.